All right, legends. It's time to talk the talk. Here's your crash course in bar lingo, the terms every real bartender should know before they step behind the stick. Let's go from A to Z, nice and easy. Aperitif, a light drink before dinner, gets the appetite going. Fancy folks call it a palate opener. We call it a pre-game. Back, a small glass of something served on the side, like water or soda to chase a shot. Bar spoon, long-handled spoon used for stirring or layering drinks. Also doubles as a sword when someone asks for 12 mojitos at once. Bitters, strong herbal flavoring used in cocktails, like salt and pepper for bartenders. Blend, to mix ingredients with ice in a blender. Think pina colada or frozen margarita. Build, making a drink directly in the glass you're serving it in. Quick and clean. Call liquor, when someone asks for a brand by name, like Jack and Coke. That's call liquor. Chaser, something you drink after a shot to calm the fire, usually soda, juice, or regret. Cocktail, a mixed drink with alcohol and mixers, basically the reason we all show up to work. Cognac, the fancy French brandy that makes people swirl their glass and act smarter. Collins, a tall drink with liquor, lemon juice, and soda, refreshing, classy, and perfect for pretending it's still brunch. Cordials/liqueurs, sweet, syrupy drinks usually sipped after dinner. Think Bailey's, Amaretto, or anything your aunt drinks on Christmas. Double, 2 shots in 1 glass, twice the trouble, half the time. 86th means we're out, or they're out. Could be stock or a person. You'll figure it out fast. Float, when you pour a little liquor right on top of a drink, pretty to look at, deadly to drink. Free pouring, pouring without a jigger. It's an art form until management starts counting inventory. Frappe, a liqueur served over crushed ice. Sounds fancy, tastes cold. Garnish, that little fruit or decoration that makes a drink look Instagram-worthy. Grenadine, bright red cherry syrup made from pomegranate, sticky, sweet, and stains everything it touches. House/well liquor, the default liquor for mixed drinks. Not top shelf, but gets the job done. Jigger, your measuring tool for liquor. Keeps your pours honest, or at least consistent. Kosher salt, coarse salt for glass rims. Perfect for margaritas, not for fries. Last call, the bar's way of saying, hurry up and make bad choices. Mix, anything non-alcoholic added to booze. Soda, juice, sour mix, or whatever hides the burn. Muddler, your pestle for smashing fruit, herbs, and sugar. Also great for stress relief during rush hour. Neat, liquor served straight. No ice, no mixer, just you and your life choices. On the rocks, a drink served over ice, cold, classic, and usually the go-to order when someone just had a day. Proof, twice the alcohol percentage. 80 proof equals 40% ABV. Basically, the math of poor decisions. Reach in, small fridge under the bar, holds beer, wine, and anything that needs to stay cold and ready. Soda gun, your liquid lightsaber, shoots soda, cola, tonic, and magic. Speed rack, where your most used bottles live. The bartender's version of a toolbox. Splash, a tiny pour of juice or mix, just enough to pretend it's balanced. Stock, refilling the bar. Glamorous? Nope. Necessary? Always. Straight up, chilled with ice, then strained into a glass. Smooth, cold, and classy. Tall, more mix, same booze. Makes customers feel healthier. Topless, no salt on the rim. Usually for margaritas, not bartenders. Virgin, no alcohol. Why would you order it? Who hurt you? Walk-in, The giant cooler in the back, cold, quiet, and a great place to scream into the void. Well area, the bartender's main workspace, where the magic and mess happens. And there you have it, your crash course in bar talk. Learn these terms and you'll sound like you've been slinging drinks for years. Forget them, and you'll be that person asking what rocks means. Don't be that person.